here we are. Got this area cleaned up pretty good, leaving walls intact. Gonna fur out from there, making use of these little angle irons on the side here where the seats used to mount. It's gonna work. I'm gonna use 2x2s to fur it all out, make it nice. Yeah, floor is cleaned up. I am not taking this floor out because I cannot remove these. They are bolted in, what, every 4 inches for the length of the bus, right through the floor. I am not gonna go down there and remove 70 or 80 bolts and create that many holes in the floor, so I'm going over it. That's my decision. I bought 1-inch Foamular because I don't want to lose too much height. So we're looking. Don't want to lose too much height here, right? We got this, and we're coming down about only a quarter and eighth. I hope I can find thin enough material for this. So we'll see how that works out, but I don't want to lose it. I'm like 5'10", between 5'10" and 5'11". The floor is going to go up another 2 inches. So it's going to be pretty close. Okay, looking good though. Looking really cleared out. 12 feet. That's right, I'm not going to fall out of this bus, but 12 feet from here to that back of that seat. So that's what we got to work with. Okay, I've left the existing floor in. I've got my Foamular piece that I cut off here. This small bus is not very wide, so it's basically 75 inches wide. 6'3". I'll be taking 3 out with the furring of the walls, so it's going to be a 6-foot wide bus. That's what it is. So if you're any taller than that, you'd probably put your bed lengthwise. Anyway, look, here we go. So this piece is going in. Some guys, they're going to think I'm crazy. Some of you guys are going to think I'm crazy, but I'm doing it. So I'm going to slide it out of the way. I'm going to put down the PL Premium, the construction adhesive. We use this all the time framing, so it's pretty strong stuff. It's going to help. But also, once I get this piece down, I'm going to suck it down with some, I'm not sure what I have, maybe 1 5/8 deck screws. I'm going to suck it down so it'll suck down onto the PL, and it'll stick there. Not bad. Not bad at all, really. 74 3/4, he says. Straight edge. Nice. Got to come around. That's the gasoline fill, or the pardon me, diesel fill right there. So I got to cut around that. kept the heater wrapped around it. Here we go. Floor looks great. Really, really good. I wish I had more time. I'd be putting the OSB in, but I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out so far. Really good. And it takes some time to go around the curves and be fairly accurate with it. And I do like the spray foam in the corners just to seal up anything that might be drafty. Of course, I'm going to overlay all of the edges. They're all going to be done with 2x2 because that's what I'm using to fur out for the walls. So all the edges will be done with 2x2 anyway. So fabuloso. Another great day. Loving the project. Hope you guys are too. Okay. Taking a look in here. Okay, I'm going to walk on this. All right. Such a difference. Such a clean look compared to what I've had in here. Now, I'm actually really quite happy with the way it turned out so far. And the 7/16 OSB I'm going to put over is going to be awesome. So I've got this section behind the seat leading across this. I've got some extra sections of this stuff. I've run out of full sheets, but I do believe I can do this just fine with what I've got left. I'll have to figure it out. Doing a little cutting to make this fit with my excess pieces here. Got one over here. Pieced it together up front here. Bus being only approximately 75 wide, and I had 96 because I had 4x8 sheets. So 21 inches to spare off each sheet by 24 inches. So there was the extra. Okay, now we got the Foamular down, the 1-inch Foamular, and it's awesome. The next stage is to put the OSB into place, and that'll be a lot of fun. Next video will be that one. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.